This is Kate.
Hello.
She says hello.
Costa Rican coffee.
Cheers, mate. This is where we're staying. Hostel Pangea. That's the balcony that we can't go on right now because we're lobsters. Mountains in the background. This is the internet area and restaurant. We like to come up here at night and have some beers during happy hour, which we usually can't make.
Doesn't
'Cause it
start
starts.
till 9. That's what makes sense.
Kate's on the computer, checking her Google.
Not available in this country.
And Google Voice is not available in this country. God damn it.
Bugger.
Note the bottle of aloe. Half empty. Also note Kate's massive sunburn. Oh. Ouch. Look at her legs. Oh. Okay. Welcome to Costa Rica. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Until next time.
Buenos dias.